Hello guys, welcome to our new YouTube channel SGBS Electronics project. Today we are going to show you how to create your own PCB design in your PC or laptop. So let's start it. First go to the start menu, then all programs, then PCB creator. Click on the PCB creator and open the folder. Then click on PCB layout. One thing should be remembered that the software cannot open properly when the PC or laptop connects with internet. So here I am disconnecting my internet connection, and the whole software process. So now we start the process again. First go to the all programs, then PCB creator, then PCB layout. Now the software opens properly when the PC is not connected with internet. So I am drawing a simple circuit which consists of one LED, one battery connector and one resistor. So in the left hand side there are many components given. So select your components as per your own requirement. So here I am looking for the battery connector. I am using this battery connector. So now rotate the connector. Now next I am looking for one resistor. Which is found in discrete. The top, the discrete is available. Then slide down. Here is the rest, which stands for resistor, and next LED. This is LED. So click LED. Connect the components. From the positive terminal of the battery connector comes to the resistor. Then from the another end of the resistor goes to the LED, positive terminal of the LED. Then from the negative terminal of the LED it goes to the negative terminal of the battery. Here I am connecting the battery. So the circuit is complete. Now I am giving the boundary. Here there is a green play button. So by clicking on the play button, the boundary came around the circuit. Now click on 3D for your 3D preview. It's loading its pattern. So the component used in this circuit. Click on OK. Now it's importing. So this is the circuit which is shown in 3D. This is in 3D. To design your own PCB, you need a proper software. The software information is given in the description below, and visit our website. And please like our video, subscribe to our channel and comment. To participate in this giveaway, you need to like our video, share our video and subscribe to our channel and comment on it.